A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Adding a credit card to your Payoneer app is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app. Launch the Payoneer app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the Settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to access account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payment Method option. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and cards. Step 4. Add a new card. Tap on the Add New Card button. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for typos, as an incorrect number will cause an error. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy and hit the Save button. You should receive a confirmation message once the card is successfully added. Now you're all set to use your credit card with Payoneer. If you run into any issues, make sure your card is valid and not expired. Happy transactions!